Hey everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to lock and protect Canva templates for client delivery step by step. This is essential if you sell templates or deliver designs to clients. First, log into Canva and open the finished template you want to deliver. Always finalize your design before locking elements. Select the elements you don't want clients to move or edit. This usually includes backgrounds, frames, logos, and layout shapes. Click the lock icon in the top toolbar. The element is now protected and won't shift accidentally. You can also select multiple elements and lock them together. This is perfect for full layouts and background sections. Leave only the text or images unlocked that clients should customize. This gives them flexibility without breaking your design. Next, click Share and choose Template Link. This ensures clients get a copy and not your original file. Before sending it, test the template by opening the link yourself. Make sure locked elements stay fixed. Pro tips: always keep a private master copy, clearly label editable areas, and include simple instructions for clients. These steps save time and prevent confusion. And yeah, that's how to lock and protect Canva templates for client delivery in 2026. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.